Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how can you solve that issue if your iPhone's Wi-Fi is disconnecting again and again and you cannot connect to any network, or if you connect you cannot remain online on that network. How can you solve that issue? So guys, the first thing we just need to understand that Wi-Fi problem or data problem generally occurs in our iPhone due to opening so much or website on your tab here, like running so much application on your phone's background, so that every application has to take its own data and the data is divided and you cannot get the speed which you want. So what we have to do, just check that if you have any type of application on your recents here on your background, so just clear all the application from here, and after that swipe from the down here on the top of right corner of your screen like this. Swipe to the down here, and after that you can see the first option called flight mode. Just switch on your flight mode from here and keep it on your flight mode till 3 or 4 seconds. After that, just switch off the flight mode. What it will do, it will just refresh your mobile phone network connection. So these are the simple steps by which you can just do this thing. You can just solve the problem, because this problem do not have any prescribed type of solution in anywhere. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.